In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify effortlessly. Whether you're a small business owner or an e-commerce manager, integrating these two powerful platforms can streamline your operations, enhance your marketing efforts, and provide a seamless experience for your customers. Let's get started and walk through this integration step by step. First, head over to the HubSpot website. You'll want to get comfortable navigating the page, as this is where we'll kick things off. If you've not bookmarked this site already, it could be handy to do so for future visits. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Login button. This is usually prominently displayed at the top right of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you can enter your credentials. Go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your command center for accessing all the powerful tools HubSpot has to offer. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and look for the marketplace icon. It's often represented by a smaller icon resembling a bag or a storefront. Clicking on this will guide you to the HubSpot marketplace. Within the marketplace, click on Apps to see the variety of applications and integrations available to you. This is a treasure trove for anyone looking to extend their HubSpot capabilities, so explore a bit if you have the time. For now, our focus is on Shopify, so in the search bar, type Shopify and hit enter. You should see Shopify listed among the available integrations. Click on the Shopify app to open its dedicated page. Here you'll find detailed information about what the integration does and how it can assist your business. Spend a moment reviewing these details to understand its capabilities. When you're ready, you can proceed by clicking on the Install App button. This action will initiate the integration process, simplifying critical tasks like syncing your customer data, orders, and products between HubSpot and Shopify. After initiating the installation, you'll be prompted through a series of straightforward steps. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've clicked on Install, you will then see a Next button. Simply click on Next to finalize your integration setup. This ensures all your settings are configured correctly and your accounts are successfully linked. And there you have it, a smoother, connected business experience powered by the HubSpot and Shopify integration. Remember, with this setup, you can now effortlessly manage your marketing and online store from one unified platform. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy integrating.